Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Accessibility. This places you directly where Assistive Touch lives. Once in Accessibility, look for Touch or Physical and Motor depending on your iOS. Make sure your phone is unlocked and charged so the interface responds smoothly. You're taking the first actionable step now. Locate the Touch menu. This is where Assistive Touch is toggled on. If you see Assistive Touch already present, prepare to enable it. Otherwise, look under Touch Settings to reveal it. Once done, tap Assistive Touch and flip the switch to on. You'll immediately see the floating button appear. Next, customize the top-level menu so the buttons you use most are available. This reduces taps later and speeds everyday actions. Make sure to set single tap, double tap, and long press behaviors to match your habits. If your device is slow to respond, adjust touch accommodations so sensitivity and hold durations fit your timing. These middle steps make Assistive Touch reliable for daily use. To finish, test the floating Assistive Touch button by tapping it and using a couple of actions. This confirms your custom menu and gesture settings work. If the button doesn't appear, restart your device and check accessibility again. Often a reboot restores the floating control. Make sure software is up to date. Incompatible older iOS can hide features. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings as a last resort, because that clears custom options, but usually restores the missing Assistive Touch control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.